Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will do another classical traveling step. At the same time it will be another classical step which doesn't really look the same in classical dance and in oriental dance. And this step will be chasse. Chasse is basically, let's say, 3 little steps. The basis doesn't change, it's the same in both dances. And when we start from the right leg, it will be 3 little steps to slightly right diagonal. 1, 2, 3. The left leg stays behind you. 1, 2, 3. And now the left leg goes to the front and you're doing the same little bit to the left diagonal. 1, 2, 3. And once again the right leg. 1, 2, 3. And the left leg. 1, 2, 3. And the right. 1, 2, 3, and to the left. 1, 2, 3. This is the basis of this traveling step. And now to make it more elegant, we go on our high toes or half high toes. It doesn't matter, whatever is more comfortable for you. And we do the same in a more fluent manner. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And it is very common in belly dance to use, of course there are lots of possibilities, but one of the basic ones is using your hands, cutting through the air, also of course in an elegant, soft manner, exactly like our body works. So when we go to the right diagonal, the hands go to the right. When we go to the left, the hands go to the left. So 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. And in order not to get stopped by the mirror, wardrobe or whatever, it's good to exercise this movement in a circle so you don't have to stop. So let's try to do it to the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. And when you have big space, you can do this step in a more dynamic manner. So if I want to make a long distance with this step, it should be more dynamic. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and so on. Yes, so you can do it in both ways, in a smaller space and in a big space. So half high toes or high toes, and you go 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. And this is how you do chasse. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do chasse, and if you have any more questions, also leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you very much for your time and see you next week. Bye!